One of the few shortcomings I've run across on my Himalayan is with the foot pegs. The stock pegs are functional, they work. My main issue is they're a little short, a little thin. Two-piece, come with a removable rubber insert. So if you want to convert these to more of an off-road style without the rubber insert, it's a single small 10mm bolt, goes in the bottom, take that out, rubber insert comes off. You're left with a cleated style foot peg, which is more in tune to what you would want while riding off-road in wet conditions. Gives your boot something to dig into, these little cleats. Now the stock pegs have a length of right at 3 inches and a width of about 1.5 inches. These are the boots that I normally wear when I'm riding in wet conditions. The portion of the boot that is normally on the foot pegs is right about here. This roller is in about 3 inches. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of boot width left hanging out in the open. This area is closer to 5 inches across. So I've got 2 inches of boot just hanging off. And I want to give myself a little bit larger of a surface to stand on over these stock pegs. So I spent some time searching online, trying to find a suitable replacement foot peg for the Enfield. And there are lots of opinions, lots of options. I found these online from an online retailer. They just showed up today. Don't know if they're going to look like they did online, but we're going to find out. And yes, they're bright red. And I have a Silver Mirage Himalayan. Money is a consideration, and these were on sale for about 30 bucks. We're going to see if these actually fit. I'm curious. I bought these based on the recommendation that the KTM 390 foot pegs fit the Himalayan. These are supposedly KTM 390 compatible foot pegs. As you can see, they're not really any longer than the stock pegs. These stole at about 3 inch, but instead of 1.5 inches, these are just right at 2 inch, so I get another 1/2 inch of width. Now let's compare these to the stock pegs, see if they actually fit. The stock pegs are held on by a pin, which is secured by a cotter pin. Always a good idea, once you remove a cotter pin, replace it with a new one. I shouldn't be surprised. The internet lied. These are not the correct size for the Himalayan. The angle's pretty good. A little difference there in the mountain bracket width. Part of me says, get the grinding wheel out. Take this in, make it thin enough to fit. But since I'm going to be standing on these, or the purpose of a foot peg is for me to stand up and hold my body weight and keep me from falling off or wrecking, I think I'm going to send these back. and try and find something else. One of the things that I got for Christmas came from chin mounts.